Hello everyone, it is now 6:52 p.m. on Tuesday. Um, Today's been mostly just working on UI. As you can see, I've been just trying to get this UI specifically, the selecting the level, done. I still have a few things, but it's starting to end up how I like it. Besides that, I've been also going through each level and just filling out when each enemy spawns and stuff like that. So yeah, today nothing too surprising or too amazing, but it's just me going through the levels, finishing things up. And yeah, in a little bit I have to stop. I have another karate class to teach, and then when I get back, I might just finish up all the descriptions and then call that a day. Hello everyone, it's now 8:50 p.m. on Wednesday night. And I actually got a lot done today. The biggest thing and the thing I'm most proud of is I finally got a chance to debug and basically finish the level loader, the sub-level loader. So that means everything to do with the demo levels, it should be pretty much done. So as you can see here, you have the main, the story playing for the main hub like level for the demo. Again, I'm just gonna skip it, but it is in there. So now if I talk with this guy and I want to enter, let's say sure. I've set this up so the mind over matter is going to be you're going to have to pick up a few different keys scattered around the level. The second version has a few more keys, and you're actually supposed to you're under a time limit here. I didn't finish the description for these. Some of these I did though. So yeah. So let's go into this. Just for testing purposes, I only made it so there's only one key, and it's always gonna spawn the same spot. So you get it. You get the little success thing. Goes away, and then it should load you back in here, and as you can see, the story doesn't play again. Yep, so with that done, I can just focus on populating the levels. That was quite literally the last bit of programming I needed to do. Now, that being said, I'm not 100% done and out of the woods yet. I still have to finish the custom AI for the bosses and everything. And I still have to actually go in and actually fill up everything, fill up the foe spawn list for each character and what kind of challenge it is. I'll need to tweak the AI for each, where they're gonna spawn. I have to fill it up, basically. But like, I shouldn't need to go into the code again unless it's just filling things up, or tweaking AI, or debugging or something. So this is a huge step forward, and like, I am so relieved. Besides that, I also debugged the ACL system. I believe I went over this in the last devlog. This little symbol right here. So now each sub-level doesn't go over... okay, little backstory. The weather, the temperature, and the ACL system both go seasonal, based off the in-game seasons and everything. So sub-levels and dungeons will no longer have that. They're going to be a set temperature. And this is just going to be so the player doesn't have so much to worry about like at all times now. Let's say we go back into that place we were just in. I'm just doing this because I haven't put the enemies in here, so it's an easy level to go into and get out of. But now you can see Jiri's ability can't work if you're under a certain amount of crist, so now I can't go invisible with Jiri because there's not enough crist in the area. Hello everyone. It is now 6:25 p.m. on Thursday, October 8th, and I got a lot of UI work done today. Biggest thing is you can see I changed all the fonts. I did go through every single widget in the game and change the fonts. So far I'm setting basically any default text is going to be in this font. I believe it's called BitPats. I have to get the proper name. If it's not BitPat, I'll put the proper name on screen. Yeah. I've also changed these buttons here. I showed this to a friend and they said it kind of looked boring. Or actually the word they used is cheap, the way they explained it. So hopefully this looks better. Still needs sound effects though. I also changed the lighting in this level, this main menu level. Before it was blue and didn't really match. Actually, it overpowered the title. So hopefully now it all works a bit better. The camera, whenever you load this level, the camera is different, so in a different position. So you might only see one of these. You might see both. You might see the light that's actually on the ceiling. You might not. But it keeps it fresh, so everyone has a different view. Something else I forgot to mention: custom cursor too. It's just a 2D material, but it's based off the crystal or crystal mats in for the 3D model. So it fits really nicely, and I really like how it turned out. Just a simple lerp through a rainbow texture, and it's going through an alpha that's based off a screenshot from the Crist model, and you get it. It's really nice. So what else did I do? I also just gonna skip through here a bit. I went through the script as well, and each character has their own fonts. So all the main characters have a different font and a different color. Hopefully this gives it a nice look. I don't have the proper pictures for it yet, so keep in mind these are just placeholder images for now. It's going to be much better when we get to the final image, but yep. The text itself is what I was really proud of. And it's not just the story, it's like the overworld too, the little pop-ups up there. You'll see that the font's changed as well. And if I go into here, these have changed as well. Go into the menu. Oh, sorry, this is the demo menu, but it's been changed on the demo menu and the proper menu as well. I'm not going to have a map for the demo, so this is just going to be placeholder. I still need to finish this. I'm not 100% sure if this would be enough. I might also add like a little thing up here saying options or something. But functionality wise, this is done. I also debugged this, so now you can go back to the main menu and restart the whole thing without having to without it breaking. That was buggy for a while. This is what I meant. The viewport is the view screen. The camera's in a different position now. You can see the light. Yep. For actual demo, the new game button's not going to be here. For the full game, the play demo button's not going to be here. I'm kind of going back and forth as I'm developing it. So, yeah. So go back into the demo. Yep. So there's that and that. So that's about it for the UI. That's what took up the bulk of today. Besides that, if I go into the sublevels, I also went through this and decided on the challenge type for each of the demo levels, and I filled out the descriptions. So now when you play, oh, I also added a splash screen. This is something I'm kind of proud of. You can see it actually starts like a proper game now. So anyways, now that when you talk to the little guy here, you press enter. Description for each of these has been implemented. Some of them are similar or pretty much the same. This one, you need to find more keys. This one is the same. These three are the same. I might, if I have time, I might go in and change these up. But for now, it works. So, yeah. Go button is good as well. So, yeah. The reason why I'm recording this a bit earlier is because I have another Cry class I need to teach. So, and when I get back, a few friends of mine wants me to play Among Us with them, or actually, I think it's Fall Guys. One of those two games. Those two games are very popular lately. So this is about it for today, which is not bad. I've been working on this since like 9 in the morning, so I think that's a fair place to leave it off. Hello everyone, it's now 9:30 p.m. on Friday, and while I had a lot of errands to run and things to do today, I didn't make too much progress, but the progress I did make was pretty good. The first and easiest to spot out is the icons on the left. These are very quick icons if you have a boost or a debuff. Let's say 3 to special, to Chris defense, 1 to defense, and a -2. You'll see on the right, it updates depending on what kind of buff you have. As well as something I can't actually show at the moment, if I click on them. If you have any temporary ones, it would list them and how long you have here. I'm thinking of doing something similar for the non-temporary buffs and debuffs, but you can't get them any. Jiri is the only one that has a boost. That's because of her weapons. So don't need it for the demo. Not gonna go into it. What else did I do? I also, very simple update that I kind of hating myself for not doing earlier. Jiri's weapons now disappear when she disappears. Again, very simple. Should have done this sooner. Okay. Besides that, the biggest thing I've been working on is just finishing up the debugging for the AI. It's all done now, working 100%, at least the generic attacking AI. So with that done, yep, the last thing is just finishing the combat animations, and I guess I still need to do the custom AI, but like, yeah, I am so close. It is a little painful how, it's like running down the hill and the finish line is right down there. You're almost there. Hello everyone. It's actually exactly midnight on Saturday. So today I did a little bit of everything. So let's just double check here. I recorded some of Scythia's animations. Well, actually, I recorded all of her animations. I just need to export them from Blender. Check the second DevLog, I believe, if you want to go over that, my method of doing that. I also redid the entire tutorial system. So now certain things will trigger a tutorial, but it will only trigger it once. That's the biggest thing. I actually disabled the tutorial system for a while now because I couldn't get it to stop triggering it over and over. Hello everyone. It is now 6:31 p.m. on Sunday, and today's been a headache, like the whole day. I've been trying. I actually just finished exporting the animation from Blender. I've been having really bad luck with Blender. Every time I use it, it's been giving me one problem or another. So here's the exported skeleton. Like last time, I baked all the animations onto it. I'm gonna transfer those animations onto Scythia's skeleton and then tweak the animations. That said, I've spent hours trying to just get this baked out and everything. And yeah, I think I've finally actually written down the proper steps on doing it. So next time it's not going to be as much of a headache. But just trying to recreate the the process I did back in the second devlog. Major headache, and I basically wasted today. Before that though, I did finish up a lot of widgets and UI stuff in the game itself, so not a full loss, but nothing majorly satisfying. The stuff I worked on is not going to be in the demo, so yeah, not much to show for today's work except for this. Even still, the export I did get, for some reason the left arm here is going a bit wonky. Hopefully when I retarget the animations, that's not going to be a problem, but if that ends up a problem, I'm going to have to re-export this from Blender, and I'm not looking forward to that. Hello everyone, it's now 11:10 a.m. on Monday. Recording this video just because yesterday I stayed up late trying out that new Genshin game with a few friends, so I am really tired. But as you can see, I did get the animations transferred over to Scythia's skeleton. Just gotta tweak it, like see here, the hand's not quite facing the right way, foot is slightly off to the side, just small things here and there I had to tweak. But I am, like I said, I'm really drained from yesterday night, so I might just take today off, just stay to myself, and then get back into it tomorrow. I know I shouldn't be saying this. I'm super close to finishing with this and then getting into the game and finally getting the 2 players like planned. But no, I can't. Maybe later on today after a nap or something, if I feel motivated, I might continue working on it. But like I said, I'm thinking of just taking today off. So if you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next week. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and like I said, all the support's been really helpful and really motivating. Every time I feel like I don't know if this is gonna go anywhere, I look in the 1 or 2 comments I see, I do read, and I don't know, it's a warm feeling I really enjoy. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.